Good morning, guys. It is June the 21st, 2020. It is 7:43. The last earthquake just happened, so I'm just going to do that one last and get what I have up first. Alright. These happened overnight while we slept. Alright, there was according to the USGS, let me pull this up. Hang on, guys. Sorry, I just woke up. Got to take care of Tom. Things are just... Alright, USGS said there was a 5.4. West Carolina, Indonesia. Okay, it's micro Indonesia. Alright, West Carolina, micro Indonesia. USGS said it was 23 miles east-northeast of Caroline, Micronesia. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, GFZ was the primary data source for this earthquake. All right. Let me go ahead and pull that up. All right. EMSC had it, West Carolina Islands, Micronesia. They had it at a 5.2 mile, 5.2 at 6.2 miles in depth. USGS had it at a 5.4. All right. Now we're going to go to, good morning, Bill. How are you, sweetie? Oh, I hope you had a good night. EMSC has had this at a 5.1 and then upgraded it to a 5.4. Let me go ahead and pull that up. Sorry, give me a second here. And they've got it at, believe it or not, they said it was a 5.1, upgraded it to a 5.4 after USGS said it was a 5.4. They've got it the state of YAP, Micronesia. They've got it 621 miles southwest of Saipan, northern Mariana Islands, at 24.8 miles in depth. All right. The GFC has it at a 5.2 at 6 miles in depth. USGS has it at a 5.4 at 6 miles in depth. And EMSC has got it at 24.8 miles in depth. Okay. All right. Now let me go to disaster alert. And we want to show you where this earthquake took place. And then we'll hit the next one. And after I do this, I've got to get my husband taken care of. Opening up disaster alert, guys. All right, so let me go down to the 5.4. Oh, they just upgraded it, so it should be ready. All right, there she sits, 5.4. I'll read it to you, and then we'll get started. An earthquake with magnitude 5.4 to depth of 6.2 miles has occurred 38 kilometers east-northeast of Caroline, Micronesia Island, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. All right, I already copied it, already put it in there. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the other one while I'm thinking about it. That was a 5.3. And then I'm going to show you where this earthquake took place, okay? Okay, I'm just pulling up the next one. It's there. I just wanted to show you. I pulled it up. All right. Yeah. It is hot here yesterday also. All right, we want to show you where the earthquake took place. on the Micronesia one, so hang on for a second. Now they're saying the volcano closest to this earthquake was 450 miles away. It was forecast summit. All right, so now we're going to shrink this down and see if we can find it. All right, the big circle in the middle is the earthquake, the 5.4. This is your closest volcano right there. And that was forecast summit. It is green, it is normal, it is dormant. Okay. All right, let's hit the next earthquake. What do you say? Next earthquake. Let me go ahead and pull that up. Got to get to it, guys. I'm sorry. Next one was Nicaragua. And we're going to open this up. USGS said it was a 5.3 Nicaragua. They've got it near the coast of Nicaragua, okay? They've got it 35.4 miles southwest of MASACHAPA. They've got it at 21.7 miles in depth. So 22 miles. You round it off. All right. EMSC had it at 5.3. No ifs, ands, or buts. They had no upgrades. They had no downgrades. They had it at a 5.3. All right. So what we're going to do is take you to EMSC. And pull that up. All right. As you can see right there, they've got it at a 5.3. All right. We were up and down all night last night, Bill. Okay. Like I said, EMSC did not upgrade, downgrade, or anything. They put out a tweet saying it was a 5.3. They've got it near the coast of Nicaragua. They've got it 24 miles southwest of MASACHAPA, Nicaragua. Only they've got it at 37.2 miles of depth. Okay. Once again, EMSC was the primary data source for this earthquake. So let me go ahead and get that up here for you. Open Sesame. And let's enlarge this. EMSC said it was a 5.1 near the coast of Nicaragua. They've got it at 34.8 miles in depth. So you got 3 different depths, 3 different earthquakes. You guys are going to have to make up your mind on this one, okay? They're saying the closest volcano for this earthquake was 56.5 miles away. It was green, it was normal, it was dormant. The name of the volcano is NEJAPA. So let me go pull that up. Come on. And let's go get it. Said it was only felt by 1 person. That's a little strange. Now they're saying, and guys, please pay attention to what I'm showing you. All right. Let me get the pin. All right. They're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake was green. They're saying it was the NEJAP volcano. Let me go see which one they're talking about. That ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it. I don't know where they're getting that, guys. I really don't. Okay. Let me shrink this down. Do you see on the other side of the red? Right here. Right under the M. Right there. That's what they're saying is the closest volcano. Guys, that's malarkey. Closest volcano. It isn't this one. Would you say it is this one? Okay. I'm looking. They're saying the closest volcano is that one right there. I don't think so. Do not think so. You make up your own mind. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to keep an eye on MASAYA volcano. I'm going to keep an eye on it. To me, that is the closest volcano. I'm not a genius in miles in depth, but I'm thinking that one was red, but they're saying it was green. It was normal. It was dormant. Okay? Unreal. Let's go to disaster alert. Just sort of upset. I don't know why they're doing that, guys. I don't know why. I have no clue. I just saw what I just saw. All right. Opening up disaster alert for this earthquake. All right. Let me go down to the 5.3, guys. I closed it accidentally. There it is. Opening it up. Right there she says, 5.3. Let me read it for you, okay? An earthquake of magnitude 5.3 at a depth of 22 miles has occurred. They've got it 57 kilometers southwest of MASACHAPA, Nicaragua, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. All right, I copied it. It's in there already. Next one just occurred, okay? This one was a 5.1 Myanmar. All right, now we're going to pull this up. GFC again was the primary data source for this earthquake. All right, we're going to go to USGS first. All right, USGS said there was a 5.1 Myanmar, India border region. They have it 14.9 miles southeast of DAR LAWN, India, at 24.8 miles in depth. All right. All right, let's go to EMSC, guys. Opening up EMSC. EMSC still not sure about this earthquake. They've got it in yellow. All right. Now, they had it at a 5.0, upgraded it to a 5.1 after USGS posted. Myanmar, India, 16 miles southeast of DAR LAWN at 24.8 miles in depth. So they're saying the exact same thing on the depth as USGS. They've got it 16 miles southeast. USGS has it 14.9. That would be 15 miles, okay, southeast. Now, GFC was the primary data source for this earthquake. So let's go pull up GFC. Let me enlarge this. All right. GFC said it was a 5.0 Myanmar, India border region. They've got it 6.2 miles in depth. They're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake was 170 miles away. It was the CHINDWIN green. Okay, and it was green, it was normal, and dormant. So let me go find it. Okay, not that I don't trust them. I don't trust them. All right, so let's go to there. And we're going to go see. It's opening up again. We're going to the volcano map. And we're going to go to Myanmar. And we're going to open it up. Now, this one was felt by 35 people. Okay? So, and they're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake was 170 miles away. And let's see. No, that ain't it. Let's go back. We want the volcanoes, please. Yeah, okay. This one was spot on the money. There's your volcano. Right there. That is your earthquake. Right there is your volcano. Let me see if I can touch it without moving the screen. Okay. That is your volcano. It is green. There's your earthquake. It is green. It is normal. It was dormant. Okay. So we're going to go ahead. What I'm going to do is go ahead and give you the estimated release of power for each one. Please keep in mind GFC was the primary data source for this earthquake. All right, so let me go ahead and pull up the notes. Make sure I got disaster alert. I did for the last one too. Yes, okay. All right, for the first earthquake we had, USGS had it at a 5.4. Whoa, that was a big one, guys. Hang on. Yeah, it was New Zealand. We'll have to wait and see if USGS decides they're going to post it. All right. That USGS said there was a 5.4. Carolina Islands, Micronesia. Estimated release of power for that earthquake. Keep in mind that it was a GFC post first, and they only had it at a 5.2. So they're going by GFC. They've got it 951 tons of TNT. And like I said before, 450 miles away from the closest volcano, which is green, normal, and dormant. These notes will all be in the description box. All right. The next earthquake was the 5.3. GFC again, once again, was the primary data source for this earthquake. They're saying the closest volcano was 56 miles away, green, normal, dormant. I showed you it was red. All right, not green, normal, dormant. But they're saying green, normal, dormant. They're saying the estimated release of energy for this earthquake was 674 tons of TNT. All right, the next earthquake, they said, was the one in Myanmar, India border region. They're saying the closest volcano was 170 miles away. It was green. It was normal. It was dormant. That was what we saw. All right, the estimated release is 477 tons. Keep in mind again, EMSC, USGS were not primary data source for this earthquake. It was GFC as the data source. All right, guys, let me copy all these links. Okay. I'm going to put these all into YouTube for you right now. And we're going to wait and see if USGS decides to say there was an earthquake in Australia or EMSC. They've been ignoring that. Okay, they've been ignoring Australia. And I'm going to show you how I know that. Copy. Let me go into YouTube. I don't know what their problem is with Australia, but with New Zealand region. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't mean Australia, I meant New Zealand. Let me go ahead, put these links into the YouTube for you. You know, we've only got one thumbs up and 4 people watching. That's sad. And copy, edit, and paste. Paste. 1, 2. There's 1. Just making sure I got them all, guys. 2, 3. Okay. And we're going to save it. All links are in the description box for you. We're going to copy this and share it in the community because YouTube does not like posting my earthquakes for 12 to 24 hours. So it's now in community. Guys, let me go show you a map of New Zealand and what I'm seeing that they're not posting. The green ones are a day old. A curious mind. Look at all the earthquakes that are not getting reported in New Zealand. Look at them. I'm not joking you. Let me see if I can shrink this down here. The green ones are older. The red ones are newer. USGS and EMSC are not posting them. I get every tweet. I get every tweet. Okay? I don't care if it was a 1.2. I get every tweet. And as you can see, there's one heck of a storm going on there. All right? Just letting you know. I'm keeping an eye on it. And yes. All right. All right. Let me go see if EMSC just by any chance put it up on their page. Just by any chance. Just opened up. The last one they had was India. Do you see a 5.0 up there? I sure don't see a 5.0 up there. See what I mean? They're not reporting. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go. I'm going to get my husband his breakfast, making some coffee, make him take his breathing treatment. He has to do that because of the anesthetic. He's going to blow into it thing and make the thing go up and down 10 times. And then I'm just going to spend more time with him. You guys are totally awesome. Curious. You're Dave. Dave, don't do that to me because I didn't remember putting Curious Minds up as a mod. I was getting a little curious there. All right. Bill, thank you for coming in with me, sweetie. Definitely appreciate it. Try to stay cool today, all right? Love you all. You guys have yourself a great morning and a blessed one. Today is Sunday, I hope. My mind is shot. Yes, Sunday. Oh, God. I gotta go wish my husband happy Father's Day. I already took him out for Father's Day, but 2 thumbs up, guys. Everything's running together. All you fathers out there on my channel, happy Father's Day to you. May God bless you abundantly, okay? 2 thumbs up. Many hugs coming your way. Much love. God bless.